So today we're at Derry Township School District at the Hershey High School teaching faculty and staff how to stop life-threatening bleeding. We want to teach people how to use the equipment in a moment of crisis.
Excellent, that was really quick too.
When someone is bleeding to death, we have about 3 or 4 minutes to successfully save a person's life.
As a teacher, we're here for the kids. We do things for the kids, and I wanted to make sure that I'm doing my best to make sure I'm prepared for whatever situation arises in my classroom.
Many people think about mass casualty incidents, the unthinkable, mass shootings, but the reality is people get hurt all the time at home, whether they're using a lawnmower, some people doing home maintenance, using equipment at home, in cars, in car accidents. Stop the Bleed kits have a tourniquet, they have hemostatic gauze, gloves, trauma shears, tape, and instructions. In Stop the Bleed, we talk about ABCs. A stands for alert, which means call 911. B is for bleeding. We want you to look for and identify the site of bleeding. C is compress, and there are 3 ways you can compress a wound. The first one is by holding pressure. The second is by packing a wound with hemostatic gauze or bleeding control gauze. And the third way is by using a tourniquet correctly and effectively to stop bleeding.
It's definitely not as simple as it looks. You see it in movies and it looks easy. I had to tighten it a couple times, and twisting that crank's definitely not as easy as it looks.
So to the people who donate to make these kits possible, we thank you. We're grateful. We can't do this without your help. And if we can save one person's life, it is so worth it.